Guys, I look so cute. Oh, love it. Hello my lovies, welcome to another vlog. So today we are starting this vlog with a cook with me. I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm making dirty rice. I have been fantasizing about making this dish for years and years now. I finally got around to doing it. Yes, so because it's not just practical to make this dish if you're the only person eating it. You get, imagine going to buy minced meat and making this just for yourself. So yeah, I finally got around to cooking it and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you are yet to. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. So guys, I'm done cooking. I'm done with cooking and it tastes I'm so happy. This is my first time making it. I don't know what it tastes like, but at least it has everything that a dirty rice is supposed to have. So this morning I'm fixing myself a quick breakfast before I head out on the waka for today. So today I'm finally going to post my documents through Canada Post and also go and search for Pepe. Now this is what happens when you make your tea with the microwave and you leave it unattended. Splashes everywhere. Hi guys, I just got back. So of course we're going to do a haul of what I went, okay, what I got. So the major reason why I went was to post something at the post office, which I did successfully. So hopefully I get feedback soon. Now, today's outing was so productive, guys. Like I was see, I intended to do some grocery shopping. Even though I didn't get all that I need, we need some we need rice, but I couldn't get it because my bags were already full. I didn't want to take it back home. I still wanted to use my $3.20, to come back home. So yeah, let's do a quick grocery haul. Now, what makes today's shopping very exciting? So, after I was done at the post office, I'm like, okay, now for shopping. But I didn't want to just run to North Road. North Road is the closest grocery store to the place that I went to, and I was also supposed to go to Dollarama. So North Road and Dollarama are not too far from each other. So, and I know they will not have shepherd pepper. That's the one that looks like tata chicken. I know they will not have it. So I'm like, before I go, just like yesterday, let me just scan around, look around, see if I find any store where they sell fresh food produce. That was how I just came out of the post office, looked right. I just saw like when they arranged a lot of fresh stuff, apples, tomatoes. I'm like, let me check it just in case. Because I've seen a lot of stores like that, but they sell many fruits. So I went and I saw, first thing I just put my eyes caught after apples were bell peppers. Were bell peppers. So, find out for you guys. So that store is like a Chinese store, like a Chinese own store, and I'm so happy to have found it. And I want to compare. Thank God I have some of my receipts. I'm going to compare prices, and maybe that's where I'm going to find my produce. So I got peppers. I don't know whether these are scotch bonnets or whatever. They didn't label them, but they cost $2.99. So I took two because I remember that the habanero and scotch bonnets I usually buy from Sobeys, from Walmart, and all of that. This size is usually $4 plus, $4 and some change, and they are not red. So I took two. Then I bought fresh thyme. The start of the show, you guys. Sweet bell pepper. They didn't call it shepherd pepper. They didn't label them as shepherd pepper. But I think these are the shepherd peppers. They said they are sweet, they make company. But these are the peppers I'm looking for so that I can cook a lot of you guys. Yay! I'm so happy with you guys. So I also want to make stir fry this weekend. No stew for this week. So I got some sesame oil and some soy sauce. So got this indomie. Irish potatoes, onions. From Dollarama, these are what I got. This lunch bag for Obi is just going to put it in his backpack. What's it called? Thing for when you fry stuff. And I got this mat, this sink mat. So what happened, Seth? I ran out of memory space. I was saying that I got this mat because my sink was beginning to have like scratch marks. I'm going to show you now. So it's beginning to have like marks, like scratches all over. So I was like, what can I do about this? And just yesterday when I went to Dollarama, I saw this, but I didn't get it yesterday, and I decided to still do like my research to know if that was the solution. And yes, I searched and I saw that yes, that was the solution. So I got it. Now I'm going to install it. It's not even big enough.
The next day.
Much better. Good morning, guys. So it's another day. I've started off my day already, you guys. As you guys know, as the odds, productivity over everything else. Well, no, not over everything else, but like, I aim at being as productive as I possibly can every single day. Okay, you guys. So I just want to have breakfast now because I want to film a video. See, it's been long since I've been wanting to film this video. That's a sit down, you know, corroboration of all my house hunting videos, where I actually talk about all that we experienced while house hunting as fresh immigrants in Canada. You know, how we finally got our first apartment. Yeah. So this is the breakfast. I'm going to have it with tea. Of course, I'm going to have it with tea, you guys. I've not added my honey, but yeah. Guys, I could have done my makeup here. The lighting here is much better. Ah, you guys, I look so cute. Oh, and I only have video idea for only one video in mind to film. My makeup looks so good. Yum. I just finished filming the video, and you guys, I know when I started I was like, I wish I had other video ideas, but see, I don't tire. I'm so exhausted. I still have other things to do, finish up a video, and a lot of other things that I need to do. I need to go and do. Happy Saturday! So we are going to IKEA this morning. We are going to window shop for furniture. So we're going in search of affordable sofa and TV bench or TV stand, and maybe center table. Also, we are looking out for a movable island for our kitchen that will fit that small space there. So let's see how it goes. We saw lots of amazing furniture, you guys. We saw very nice bed. Oh yeah, we also saw the bed frame that we just might be getting. So we saw bed frames with storage. We saw a lot of things that you're going to be seeing here, and of course we found the sofa that will fit in our space, and that, you know, reasonably priced, that is not too expensive. That is key. I absolutely loved the feel of this particular couch, but now money kill over $1,000 for like a love seater. I mean, it's very spacious. It's not the regular small love seater. Guys, get what I found. For the first time since we've been here, I saw turkey wings. So I think this is a pack of 4 from No Frills, and I got these for $5.63. I got 2 because I already bought some chicken drumsticks. I'm going to make jollof rice this weekend for the next week, and I'm also going to be making chicken stir fry for the next coming week. That is me batch cooking. And you guys, I went and stocked up on more of these peppers. $2.99 from the Asian store or the Chinese store. And you guys see this kind gigantic carrots. I was going around the store to look for normal carrots, like regular carrots, but I didn't find, so I picked this one. Yeah, I got 4 of these peppers. I got some green pepper, some green onions, some grapes, tomato paste for my jollof, and a pack of our new favorite noodles. Not like, you know, get chopped. And I also decided to try out this their jalapeno hot pepper. Let's see how hot it really is. And I'm going to be using it with other peppers. So that is all I got from the grocery store. And you guys, for the past week, I've been craving poppies, or whatever they call it. My workout this past weekend, I've always been passing that side. But I'm like, nah, just walk past, I've been overcoming the temptation, but it just felt like if I don't get it today, I don't know, can't do this. Of course, we went and got some Popeyes. Yeah, so that is all that we've been up to today. And we got home like, I think it's roughly 2:30 now. You guys, specifically, I've also been craving these biscuits from Popeyes. I love it. Love it. You guys, just because you really need to see this, I've been craving it. The inside of it tastes like buns. I don't know, it just reminds me of buns, but like salty buns. I love it. And my drink is Fruitopia.